Kreg power tools combine premium features, durable brushless motors, and blue-ion battery technology to deliver the precision, power, and durability that woodworkers demand. The Kreg Blue-Ion battery platform is built for consistent performance and smart energy management, helping your tools run at their best. Choose from a full lineup of Blue-Ion batteries designed to provide the right balance of runtime, capacity, and portability. Kreg Ionic Drive power tools, delivering precision and power for every project.